Come on, so we are at Gangali's kitchen, and Gangali's birthday is tonight. Lots of cooking. So we're making some festival. So this is the process, right? We put the flour in first, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Talk to us. What you do now? Put in the flour first?
Yeah, you know, then some cold water.
Cold water.
You kneel to go.
Oh. So you put anything else in it?
No, it already come mixed. It's a festival mix.
Oh,
mix. Yeah.
Oh, it's already come
it's
mixed.
It's the one I make from scratch.
This one make from scratch.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one you don't have to do anything.
No, you don't have to do anything now.
You just put the water and mix
put
it.
some cold water and it. You got quick and easy direction.
Oh, okay, okay.
So it come pre-mixed already.
Oh, that's cool. Make it much easier, eh?
Much easier.
Yeah. And it tastes the same? Yeah?
Much better.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Lots of cooking today in Gangali's kitchen.
Huh? Ready?
I'm gonna make some festival.
Me and can just measure it and this, you know? Okay, so you gotta be clean. Yeah.
Yeah, your measurement good.
Yeah, man, bad them with them, man.
You need some more flour in it.
Yeah, at least that.
Yeah.
Grab one more.
Mm-hmm.
There, that's all.
This is how we do it.
Daddy, what grade is that?
Soon. It's a workout, you know, Danny?
Yeah.
Or people don't know them they build muscle.
I know, man. You have to knead it real good for it
Yeah.
to taste good, you know?
You know, I got it.
Mm-hmm.
All heap of ground food then, you know?
Yeah.
Then thing I was strong, you know? Fast.
Definitely.
White yam.
You put yellow yam in it too, or just one?
No, just white yam, you know?
Okay. No chocha?
Yeah, chocha ready, so.
Oh.
Frozen already, cut up and frozen.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so drop it in the pot and ready, you know?
What is?
That's a turnip.
Oh, turnip, okay.
Yeah.
What kind of meat is meat this?
Goated.
Oh, goated, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so this one is Spanish water?
Yeah, my water, you have chicken.
Okay.
Chicken. Now they are chicken back or chicken foot soup? A chicken back or chicken foot soup? Chicken foot soup. Huh?
Chicken soup.
Chicken
Oh,
soup.
chicken soup.
Yeah.
Okay.
Water manish.
Yeah, so we're cooking 2 soup today.
Yeah.
Manish water and chicken soup.
Even though it's so hot. Burn it off, you know?
Yeah.
Butter gas.
Hey, no matter how it hot in Jamaicans
Tell you, I love soup.
love them soup.
1,000 degrees and I still take it, you know?
Yeah. It cool it down, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
See the pot here. This is the soup pot.
Going food in there.
What's up, Karen? Busy day today. Eh?
Busy day.
How you doing inside?
Busy.
Busy. Yeah, fried dumpling in there?
Oh yeah, you want breakfast?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to go and get some breakfast because I'm hungry.
You want breakfast too?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Hungry. Alright, what we have here now?
Yam.
Yeah.
White yam.
Hello. Who's this beautiful lady?
That's my wife right there, you know?
All the beautiful ladies always with the ugly guys. I don't
I
understand.
know that's ugly.
What's going on?
I don't know. I will be picking up.
A friend like me, he doesn't need an enemy, you know?
You know?
Alright, brother.
Yeah, man, you know, I go already.
Yeah, man. So, what we have here? Everything corn. This soup is going to be so good.
Oh, shit. 1 second.
Wow.
So
Look
let's
at
stop
this.
carving that one cup there.
Beautiful, very colorful, right? It's like a rainbow. Well, not exactly.
Now, hold it. Hold on. Get it, someone. Any good?
So, which one of the pot is this?
Huh?
Which one of the pot is this? This is for the chicken? Chicken
Too
soup.
much water in addition. Too much water right now. Oh, you mean any food that's going on the chicken back out? 2 back of chicken back out going on. Knife skin pan pine, you know?
Yeah, I see that, man.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna mess with you no more, man. The way you're using this knife.
Yeah. Tell you.
You ever eat white yam? I love it. You prefer yellow yam? Yeah, me too. Yellow yam is my favorite. Well, I went to Jamaica the other day and when I'm a Rasta virgin, get me a big piece of white yam. Oh my God. Yo, that yam was so good. Eh? Getting some cocoa. The cocoa dashing. Dashing? Oh, okay. Okay, from Jamaica too?
Yes, she come from.
Oh,
Jamaican all the
So I have here gone some jerk pork. Oh wow.
people's choice.
The people's choice. You jerk pork? Nah. No, hell no. I haven't eaten pork from I was maybe about 14, 15 or something like that. Yeah, way back.
Meat in the world.
No, I don't eat pork, I don't eat beef. You eat beef though, eh? Yeah, I don't eat pork
I
or
understand
beef.
how people don't eat pork and eat chicken.
No, but chicken and pork is two different meat.
No, but the chicken do as well. They say the pork unclean, the chicken unclean too.
No, you know, pork, it's not only that, you know, that it's unclean, but pork, you know, it sometimes it bother your chest, you know.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we
I
have a
did.
problem with people that talk about the unclean
Yeah.
and God calf, devil in and anything. Yeah, a rumor just storyland.
Yeah.
And them people live a storyland tell you about them things.
Same thing there, yeah.
That calf devil now what?
No, I don't.
Then he go back go tell you.
I don't really believe
And then he go
that.
back go tell you say anything that the father make with him hand don't call it unclean.
Clean, yeah,
So it contradictable.
yeah.
Contradictable.
The religion thing is
Religion man now.
it's kind of complicated.
No kind
Yeah.
of real complicated.
Yeah, but
One at time he tell you say when somebody dead you know fi cry.
yeah,
You fi rejoice.
the further
And he go back go tell you blessed are they that mourn.
yeah, that's true.
A real complicated thing. But me not understand.
Yeah. It's really complicated. That's why I don't deal with religion. Because
man write them thing, man.
Every religion a man made. You know? So I don't deal with religion. Alright, so Gangali things are coming up good. The chicken is ready. The curry goat is ready. We have Sean on the grill. The chef. And Gang has two soup pot over here. One for chicken and one for manish water. And for those who don't know what manish water is, it's like goat head and foot and all that stuff. And tripe all of the intestine. Yeah man. That's what we call manish water, Jamaica style. Only in Jamaica. Yeah man, we bring Jamaica to foreign. Yeah man. Every time. So we have the scallion in the pot, we have the pepper, watch that. I know you wash the pimento, but is it really necessary? Because it's gonna cook and it's gonna anything in it, the water is gonna kill it anyways.
Carrot cake.
want
Carrot cake we want, yeah.
Cause more like a
They don't do
finger.
carrot cake like that, you know.
Them do carrot cake, them will do it.
Not like that. What kind of red one have you? What kind of red velvet have? Nice cake,
To you.
good cake to eat. Put up the okra them to him. Keep okra there.
You have okra too?
What do you mean? I mean a bag already cut up. Yeah, which bag? Where bag do we there?
I must it's in the side, don't see it. The frozen one. Now leave the banana on the skin, you know. Something.
The banana fill up on the skin. I get right.
Let's go.
Pimento. Pimento, let it get a nice taste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, pimento enough for your part.
Oh, me?
Yeah, property.
We used to, but not anymore. Yeah. No, they just maybe after a while it seems like it just disappear.
No. Now I cook already. Yeah. Nah, they are garlic up there, so. Sound tell curry. Cup of some garlic. Yeah. I'll give it a yam in here. How much piece of yam is it? 4. How much piece of yam? Roll this up, and I put it in there. Wow. This. Yes.
Alright, so you have the corn inside. It's 2 soup pot at one time. Man, that's a lot of cooking. Lot of cooking, right? Lots of cooking. Yeah. What do you have there?
Chocho.
Oh, chocho. Put in the chocho. All diced up already, huh? Chocho in the pot. What's that? Irish potato?
Yeah.
So what we have now, Gong?
Garlic.
Put some garlic in. Give it a nice flavor, eh?
Yeah.
Nice taste. Garlic good for everything, man. Yeah. Huh?
So I put on garlic powder.
Mm-hmm.
Put natural garlic.
Okay. It's getting so hot right now. It's getting hot. Yeah, the sun coming out. Yes. So we're here at Gangali's kitchen. Doing a lot of cooking. Right now Gang is cooking some soup. Water and chicken soup. for later. Yeah, man. Nice soup. So now Gang is putting some, yeah, sliced banana, green bananas. Yeah?
Iron.
Yeah, give you iron.
Yeah, already. I'm comfortable because my phone now work. You know much message my daughter
You
sent.
want to go to T-Mobile?
The rest of them.
Right now, drop you. Oh. Come in and go big chance to drop you.
I reach a one, make them
One
fix
out
my
there,
phone.
so, and one down at the local town. One out to go to Walmart.
Go in there, some slide or something like that.
Yeah? What?
Except for I have going to say something like
What that?
the bucket right here.
Bucket. Yeah, so. No, I'm not going to write it down.
So we're gonna put the meat inside now. The goat head. Two, 3 o'clock, not gonna be too early. Oh.
Yeah, man. The penny bend down, yeah.
Uh-oh. Cheers, brother.
Cheers, man.
Yeah.
Big time.
Yes, I.
You can pull this?
Check, Sean. Can I pull this for him?